fingerprint sensor. Bam, it is quick. The whole device feels very nice in the hand. It looks awesome. 120 Hz will give you that smoothness. With the Android 15, you will get a cool feature, which is a game, a hidden gem, an old game, but that's not important right now. Important is the spec, Dimensity 9416 GB of RAM. Super high resolution screen. They advertise it as a 3 million points in the Antutu benchmark, but for me it was only 2.5, which is still a great score. And storage test, also a fantastic score, 1.5 for the read and 1043 for the write. Numbers doesn't mean anything to you. I have another benchmark, 266 for 8100 compared to Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now that is a huge difference, a vast difference. What does that mean? It means gaming. And there we are in a game, and with the game we do have a game mode with a processor power and GPU power and tons of different features. Let's see how much power we're going to use. It's like 30%, okay, 40, maybe even 50. Alright, starting the game, 3 to 1, we're still 50%. And, okay, it goes to 100. Okay, it goes to 100. And it's down now. It wasn't 100 for a second, and now it's 30%. Interesting. Okay, I guess. There's a lot of going on in here. A lot. Not sure where's the enemy, but like you can see, it is holding nicely. Below 100%. At the very beginning it was 100, and now like 60, I guess? 60%? With tons of action. Fire and everything. And can't see impact because I don't think anyone cares about Call of Duty, which is a beautiful game. I don't think this is 60, is it? Wow, the game is such a beauty. Look at that. Alright, performance. Definitely 100% for the GPU and 67 for the CPU. That's okay, it's getting lower. We don't have a frame rate here, but that's okay. Do we? No, we don't. But let me just walk around a little bit. Remember, maximum settings. Okay, it feels semi-60. It's fine. Cool gaming experience. And a camera. And instead of Dolby Vision, we do have HDR, which is super cool because it is compatible with YouTube. And I will show you a little sample in the next video, a HDR sample. Now I'm going to cut all the way to 4K 60 frames per second from the front-facing camera. Is it going to overexpose the sky? Not really. Check this out. How cool is that? You can see the clouds and everything. And out of the frame it will be even better. How great that is. With the wide-angle lens, check this out. That's a cool spot. Look at the quality. It is great. Alright, we need to test telephoto. Impressive, but 15x, not 20 like in the bigger brother. But that's okay. Look how smooth that is. Damn, it is smooth. Do we have macro in the wide-angle lens? It means autofocus. Yeah. Check this out. Impressive again. Wow, that is super cool.
Yeah, still get that first time feeling rush. She's laid back and catch you up. A real homebody is wonderful. I never thought that I would find someone that I can't resist. This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and how to go. Always got my attention. Beautiful soul.
And for example, I wanna erase that dog. And it's going. And it's gone. Just like that. And we also have a cool editor. What does that mean? It means, for example, we do have a video. We can hit edit, then trim, then add more videos or photos or whatever you have very quickly. I mean, quickly. Look, done. And it's already in the timeline. How quick that is and how smooth is the timeline. Like in iPhones. That is great. You can edit, you can change the speed, you can trim, you can put more audio filters and all kinds of stuff. Then you can export. Off with AI, it will make you a short video, but we don't want that. We want to export in 4K 60. That's 1.1 gigabyte. How quick this is going to be? That is quick. Quicker than my PC. Wow. In 4K 60. And it's lossless. You won't basically lose any quality. 10% already. Quick. Amazing. All right. I can see everything just works smoothly. The amount of wallpapers are really good, and they are all, wow, just very advanced, might say. Extremely advanced. This one? Oh, what about this one? Wow. Nice. Question is, what's the difference between Mini, X200 and Ultra? Well, if it comes to camera, Ultra has the greater optics, the biggest cameras and the baddest cameras. Optics is the key. With the regular version, we definitely have a better quality cameras. We can say like 20% more. 20 to 15, something like that. Other than that, well, smaller battery, but same processor, same great experience, by the way, a battery. I got 1 day, 7 hours, but my usage is very different than any other. In the end, a VIVO Mini feels very nice in the hand. You have everything you need in the box. Well, I have a small treat for you. It's way better than the Xiaomi 15 in the camera department. And that's what I got. See you next video. Link in the description for the best small form factor smartphone in the world. Bye.
Always got my attention. Beautiful soul.